Think of Google Workspace as your digital office for documents and spreadsheets. Now, imagine a tool that takes collaboration to the next level by turning ideas into visual, actionable plans. That's Miro, the underrated tool you didn't know you needed. Welcome back to AppSolute, where we bring you everything app solutions. Today we'll be exploring a super amazing tool, Miro, and why it is a game changer for your digital workflow. Hit that like button if you've not already done so, subscribe to our channel, and let's get started. So, what exactly is Miro? At its core, it's a digital whiteboard, but it's so much more than that. It's an infinite canvas where you and your team can visualize ideas, plan projects, and collaborate in real time no matter where you are. What makes Miro unique? One of the standout features of Miro is its over 600 templates for everything from workflow diagrams and brainstorming sessions to project management and customer journey maps. Whether you're running an agile sprint or designing a marketing campaign, there's a template for that. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with tools like Slack, Jira, Google Drive, and Zoom, and a host of other apps, making it the central hub your workflow deserves. Miro stands out because it's flexible, powerful, and built for teams. But its real magic? Well, moving on, we'll explore how it solves the headaches of modern workflows. Let's be honest, digital workflows can be messy. Teams struggle with inefficiencies, lack of clarity, and poor collaboration, especially when working remotely. This is where Miro shines. First, clarity. Miro's visual approach helps you map processes, identify bottlenecks, and ensure everyone knows their role. Say you're managing a video production workflow, from script writing to launch. You can use a Miro board to lay out every step, assign tasks, and track progress, all in one place. Just like this. Second, collaboration. Features like sticky notes, voting tools, timers, and comment threads make brainstorming sessions and meetings interactive and productive. Now, I know some of you might point out that tools like Figma also offer these features. Things like sticky notes and voting in FigJam are great for quick design sprints or ideation within design teams. But the difference? Miro is built from the ground up as a universal collaboration platform, not just for designers. Its tools are tailored for broader use cases, like running workshops, mapping complex workflows, or facilitating cross-functional team alignment. Figma's strengths lie in UI/UX design and prototyping. So while it can handle some collaboration, it's not as flexible or scalable for the diverse needs of brainstorming and project planning that Miro excels at. Finally, scalability. Whether you're onboarding new hires, scaling a process, or documenting a complex project like a marketing campaign, Miro keeps everything organized and accessible. It's not just a tool, it's a strategy for working smarter. Is Miro underrated? Now you might be wondering, if Miro is so great, why haven't I heard more about it? That's exactly why I believe it's underrated. A lot of people think it's just a simple whiteboard tool, but its depth and versatility are what make it a hidden gem. Compared to other tools like Mural or Microsoft Whiteboard, Miro offers a massive library of templates, AI-powered features like automated summaries, and integrations that actually work. Plus, it's affordable. There's even a free forever plan for smaller teams or solo creators. Tools like Trello are great for tasks, but Miro focuses on the big picture, helping you visualize ideas and turn them into action. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your workflow, and yet it flies under the radar. This doesn't have to remain the story. You can start using it today. All right, let's wrap up. Miro isn't just another tool. It's a strategy for better collaboration, clearer processes, and faster results. So, what are you waiting for? Head to Miro's website and check out their free plan or explore their incredible template library. I've linked everything in the description below. Trust me, once you start using Miro, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more productivity tips. Let's make your workflow work smarter, not harder. See you in the next video.